Happy Monday, everybody. Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. I hope you had a good weekend. I spent the weekend with my son, enjoying the weekend. Went to the movies, got to hang out with him, and, just enjoy some good old quality time. Over the weekend, Bitcoin's been, dumping. And so what we're going to do now is jump into the Bitcoin price. But before we do, please hit that like. Please make sure you subscribe. And if you can, please share. Go to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get your $10 free Bitcoin to start DCAing. And, right now it's a great time. Dips are for buying, not for crying. So let's check out what's going on with the Bitcoin price. All right, as we can see here, let's jump to the hourly chart. 1 hour chart. We've been going down over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. We've been heading down. So we've been coming down for the last week, getting all these longs clapped up. And looks like on the hourly, we are starting to head back down. We had a spike up to about 27.5. Earlier was 27.7. And looks like we just keep getting lower highs. From this point here, 28, then we went down 27.7, and then now this low 27.5. So we got a green candle on this new hourly chart that just started. So we'll see how this plays out. Let's look at Market Cipher. Shout out to Crypto Face. Market Cipher, we're looking at VWAP. VWAP is look like it's stagnant right now. But based on momentum waves, this is looking like a bullish divergence. So this is looking pretty good. And then also we got the money flow turning green. So this has been green since here. So we were coming up. So shout out to the money flow. Let's see what else we can see. All right, we got the RSI and stochastic RSI pointing down. So we'll see how this goes. Now the candle has turned red. So we'll see how this goes. We hit a low of 26,933. I'll put another alert here. Actually, I did have alerts. I didn't tweet them. So let me make sure I tweet those as well. And I'll put another alert above this high here, which is 27,571. So I'll send out those alerts if we get above or below these levels. But right now we're in this little range right now. Let's see if we can hit a double. So like maybe this could be a bullish opportunity because of, again, the bullish divergence. And we also got this as well, bullish divergence. So I think we could pump. But we shall see. A lot of people are short right now. We'll jump into CoinGlass in just a moment as well. Jump to the 4 hour chart. Let's look at Market Cipher. Market Cipher coming down. 4 hour chart, as I mentioned in a previous video, I said bearish divergence, and we've been coming down ever since. Money flow has been leaving the asset, turned red ever since. Stochastic RSI and RSI coming down as well. And then you got the momentum waves coming down as well. And then let's look at the VWAP, which is this yellow line, looking like it's coming down as well. So long term, I said this could be a bullish divergence, but it turned out to be invalidated. It looked like it went the opposite way. So bearish on the 4 hour time frame. However, this could always change. So we'll see how this plays out over the next few days. Let's jump to the daily chart. Daily chart, we're looking at the Market Cipher indicator, and it looks like we're coming down, but it does look like we're starting to turn up on the VWAP on the daily, also on the money flow. So this is good, looking like a good opportunity or potential reversal. So we'll see how this plays out. It does look good. Also on the daily, I did say this looks like a bearish divergence as well, and that did play out. So pretty accurate. Shout out to Market Cipher. Now let's look at the daily on the chart. So as I mentioned in previous videos, if we got below these ribbons, it's not looking too good. Then we could come down to these levels, which I do have marked off. And you know, those alerts went off. The next one is at 26.9. I think that one actually went off. Did we hit that one? No, we didn't hit that one yet. Or actually, I just made that one. The previous low or alert that I did have out did hit. But I do have another alert here at 26.4. And then another level down. I should have one down here at 25,000. So we'll put that there. Hopefully we don't get that low. But, you know, it could possibly happen. Who knows what's going to happen? I think a lot of the bears are still going to get clapped up. But, you know, if we do lose this level here, we got this huge gap here. So if we lose where we're at now, we're definitely coming down to about $25,000 level. So be on the lookout for that pullback, because that is an opportunity to, you know, DCA stack a little more. And then, you know, I think we can possibly bounce. So I think we can come down and then come back up. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's jump into CoinGlass to see what that's looking like. CoinGlass, we got a lot of people still short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 7 short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 short. And I'm sorry, long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 long. 7 exchanges, majority of the people are long, and 12 of the majority of exchanges are short. So again, I think this will be I still stick to my observation that we're going to you know, still pump. And look at this, all the longs were still getting clapped up. So a bunch of longs were just getting clapped up. Let's see, let's go to Bitcoin, because I think this is on all. Cool. All right, cool. So, you know, 51% of the transactions that were long were clapped up. So, you know, Deribit, 100% of longs were liquidated. Bitfinex 95, BitMEX 96%, 84% on Huobi, OKX 77%. What's that? Binance, all shorts got clapped. OKX 77%. So this is crazy. So again, just be careful. Like I said, if you're trading, be cautious. You know, I like to short the shit coins, you know, make some money shorting shit coins, because it's very easy to make money off these trash scam coins. Let's jump into Twitter real quick, see the tweets that I just tweeted out. Shout out to Bitcoin Zay, my daily reminder that cash is trash. 100 bolivars is 0.000347 cents. That is crazy, guys. What is this person doing? Shout out to Luke Belmar. It's not about what you know, who you know, or who knows you. It's about who likes you and is willing to go to war for you. Absolutely. Absolutely. We live in a strange world where it's empowering for an 18-year-old to have sex with a random stranger who will dump you the next day, but it's foolish and backwards to want to get married to someone you love. I agree. It's a very backwards world that we live in now. And if you know why, it's because, you know, they want to keep it that way. They want to have us backwards in this world. So just stay diligent, right? Use your discernment, guys. Stay diligent out here. If you never try, then you'll never know. If you can't handle stress, you won't be able to manage success. Absolutely. You know, whoever sows generously will also reap generously. That's right. You know, what you reap is what you sow. This person got hit by a car. Looking both ways. Go check that out. Dips are from buying, not crying. Look at God again. Do not overcome by evil, but overcome evil with love. That's Romans 12:21. Shout out to God. Rare deserves rare. The more I study governments, the more I love Bitcoin. Absolutely. Shout out to Luke Belmar. And, you know, make sure you follow me on this tweet went out 18 hours ago, so we got an alert. We went up to that 27.8 and then dropped back down. So make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you share it. Make sure you subscribe. Wow, that was super loud. Super duper loud. That's somebody calling on my other phone. But anyways, make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys share. Make sure you subscribe. It's a little cloudy today, but you know, you're alive. You woke up this morning. You're blessed. I'm out in the neighborhood, you know, just enjoying myself. Just went to Publix, about to head home, you know, get my smoothie in, go boxing. I'll get back to my prayer and meditation for the week. And with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get your $10 free Bitcoin. Set up your automatic DCA. And just make sure that you guys are just paying attention. You know, the world's getting crazy out here. You know, it's a lot of evil and wicked stuff out here. So just be careful, you know, and just make sure you stay prayed up. Make sure you be thankful. Make sure that you know, I don't like to use the word humble, you know, because if you look up the definition of the word humble, it's not really my cup of tea. But to each their own, right? So with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love, you guys. Peace, love, abundance, and blessings to you all. Peace. See you guys in a later video.